Today we're making smoked barbecue peach wings. Let's get started.
Kansas don't know how to do no hot wings.
Let's make peach BBQ sauce. Add canned peaches to the blender. Add sriracha to kick up the spice. Add slap Yo Mama spice seasoning. It's so good makes you want to slap Yo Mama. Add melted butter. Blend until smooth. Chicken prep time. Add honey mustard and slap Yo Mama seasoning. Mix it up and put in fridge for 1 hour. Add chicken to smoke rack. Dust more seasoning before smoking. Smoke to 125 degrees for 2 hours. Pour peach BBQ sauce over wings, toss and add back into smoke to glaze them up. All done, add honey on top wings for extra sweetness.
All right, now let's see how our peach wings came up. Cheers, guys. Ooh, that sweet with a little heat. That is so delicious. Y'all need to try this.